Hey guys, it's Murugan and welcome back to the Gindie Times YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the layer breakdown of the simple surrealism work I made. Let's get started, my friend. I am showing the refined line art first, which is drawn above the rough sketch, which I deleted after drawing the refined one. Then, I am adding base color here. Now, I am applying colors. Here I am doing some refinements above the outline folder in the artwork. Finally, doing some edits. Here you go, the simple surreal art. Follow the Gindie Times for more, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the future videos.